Hello, YouTube family. I hope you're having a fantastic day today. I hope you had a fantastic Tuesday today. Got here, coast to coast, here, and today it's actually raining, stormy, and raining, stormy outside. And I just want to show you one thing. And before I get this video started, make sure, please hit that like button and turn the notification bell for your videos. And also subscribe to this channel. I'm very lucky y'all for being my family. And please hit that like button and please give me some more viewers. That way it shares videos like this. So now starts. Now. And today I will do a shout out. Today I want to say one to the greatest YouTubers. Also the greatest YouTubers on the Water Channel. And I want to say one of the storm trackers. Thank you so much. I can't wait to see you all. I miss you guys very much. I can't wait to see the next next storm weather. Well, I should do it. I hope you guys like this wacky and storm wackies and all weather storms on this video. And before I go, I want to show you guys the window. Come with me. Shall you? Look at guys, look at here. Bad storm passed away, but kind of clear looking. Kind of storm looking. Kind of human looking over there. Kind of storm looking. Sorry, I'm almost done. Let me finish my video first. So, I will thank you all for watching, and I'm gonna show you all this right here. We see. That way you can see the clouds. Look at that. Rain's gone now, guys. Pretty cool. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, give me a big thumbs up. If you guys like some more videos, and please hit that like button. If you guys give me some more likes, give me some like 13 likes today. 32 likes. Please give me some 32 likes. Give me some 32 likes for my channel, if I may. And don't forget to hit that subscribe. Subscribe to this channel. Hit that subscribe right now. And please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that subscribe vacation bell button for future videos. Today is a mystery. Tomorrow, still a mystery. Because it's always love the president. Remember, don't give up. Don't quit. Work hard and don't quit. Keep being you. So, remember, if you have to love yourself, you got to love. That's right. Just like Dad says, you got to love yourself first. Love everybody. You got to love people around you. Love people around you. Spread that love. And go over there and spread that love. Give them some hugs and get their high five hugs. You know? Share some love. Show your family and get some love, you know? You guys got a good day out there. Get some hard love, encouragement, and share this encouragement. Sorry about that. Been very loud out there. Well, thank you guys for watching. Till next time. Till the next wacky adventure. Tony Long Ventures. Till next time. I'm out of here. Deuces. Stay blessed. Bye.